Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Rahman Maruf in front of you. Today I am going to share about on time management. Time management is the ability to use our time wisely and effectively. Time is one of the most valuable things in our life because once it's gone, we can never get it back. Everyone gets 24 hours a day, but successful people know how to use those 24 hours properly. Time management helps us complete our work on time, reduce stress, improve productivity, and achieve our goals. Whether we are students, teachers, employees, or business owners, managing time is an important skill for everyone. As a student, time management is especially important. We have to attend classes, complete homework, prepare for exams, participate in extracurricular activities, and spend time with our families. Without proper planning, it becomes difficult to balance all these responsibilities. There are many benefits of good time management. First, it helps us finish our task before the deadline. Second, it improves the quality of our work because we have enough time to review and correct mistakes. Third, it reduces stress and anxiety because we are not rushing at the last minute. Finally, it gives us more time to relax, exercise, and enjoy our hobbies. I think time is more valuable than money because lost money can be earned again, but lost time can never be recovered. Thank you everyone for listening. Assalamu alaikum.